So the first recipe that we're making today is our buffalo chicken wings. Now we've been getting a lot of requests for either drumsticks or chicken wings. So we're just gonna show you how easy they are to make inside your Instant Pot. So, all right, you wanna go first?
Yes, okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is sprinkle them with all seasoned salt. You could also use salt and pepper if you don't have all seasoned salt, but this gives it just a little more variety and a little more flavor. Okay, so once you season one side, flip them, and then you'll season the other.
And you can do the same thing with the drumsticks, and you'll actually cook them for the same amount of time too. So,
and these are great for games, appetizers,
right? Super Bowl is coming.
My husband loves these, and they're super quick and easy, and you don't have to slave away because the Instant Pot does all the work. So
exactly.
Okay, so I think I've got everything
perfect,
pretty seasoned.
Now we're gonna cook them inside of the Instant Pot, but we're gonna use like a steamer basket to help us out a little bit. Now, if you don't have a steamer basket, you can use like the little trivet that came with your Instant Pot, but I like steamer baskets easier because they just have a little handle.
Yes.
So, all right, you wanna pass the water?
Yep.
So we're gonna pour
it right in?
So we have like a cup of water. And we're just dumping in because we need liquid, so we'll pressurize. And then we'll put the basket right in. And then do you just wanna put the chicken in?
Yes.
Okay.
This is super easy.
Now, I've lived out of state for a lot of years, and this is my first year being home for the Super Bowl.
And we are so glad.
As sisters, we let the boys watch the football game.
Yes.
And we just sit around all the food and
just eat and talk.
The whole entire game.
And then at halftime, we go in and we join them.
We watch the commercials. And
we're more there for the
halftime
show.
We are.
And the food.
But mostly the food.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna put the lid on. Now, I get a lot of questions. If you're new to the Instant Pot, if you can hear that little jingle as it goes on, that means you did it right. So you just wanna make sure your lid is on all the way. Then after you put your lid on, you want to turn your knob right then so you won't forget. You're gonna turn it to sealing. There are different kinds of Instant Pots. This one has a pressure cook button. There's also one with a manual button. So we're gonna push pressure cook, and then it only cooks for about 10 minutes. You push the little plus button to go up. So,
yes.
And then we'll wait for that to cook. So once your timer's done, we're gonna let it release on its own until about 10 minutes or until the pressure is out. All right, once that little button goes down, you can go ahead and open up your pot.
Ooh, they look good and they smell good.
Yes, they do. All right, do you just want to pull them out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we washed the pan, we're gonna put them back in, and then we're just gonna add some buffalo sauce, but you could also do barbecue sauce, teriyaki sauce.
Right, whatever you like on your wings. Yes. But we like hot sauce.
Yes. And I'm also all about the sauce. My husband likes the rubs, but I'm like, give me some of that sauce.
Good.
Okay.
My kids like the barbecue though because they don't like it being too hot. I'm a fan of all sauces.
Okay, I'm just gonna flip them over, and then we'll sauce the other side.
All right, just a little sauce on that guy. Nice.
And we're good?
Good. All right.
Okay.
Should we stick them in the oven?
Yep, and we're gonna broil them for about 2 minutes.
2 minutes or so. Okay.
So they're all done cooking, and then we're just gonna plate them on, and then we also have a little bit of ranch that you can dip them in as well.
Now, if you want more sauce, you can actually take this sauce and like spread it on a little bit, or you can just keep it just like this.
Mix it around.